Hi guys, it's Weedit. I'm here with a quick video about storing cold wax medium. I make my cold wax medium. I keep it in a crock pot, but I guess it was about 2 years ago I made a batch of cold wax medium, and I thought I was going to use it right away, so I just left it as is in my crock pot. And when I needed cold wax medium, due to unusual circumstances, my crock pot wasn't readily accessible to me, so I was using up my Dorland and Gamblin cold wax medium. So when I got back to my crock pot, what I discovered, and this is how I stored it. I just made it and put the lid on, and that was it. What happened was, I'm going to see if I can zoom in so you can see, this is hard and yellow, okay? It developed a skin on it, and it's really not just a skin. It goes down, I'd say, maybe 5 millimeters, almost 1/4 of an inch. I have no idea if those are even comparable, I'm thinking, but I'm trying to peel up a piece of it. Okay, it's all usable underneath it, but there's a section, let me cut this off, that's not quite that thick, okay? It's, this is still usable, but this top part is, this top part is hard, okay? And not, and not usable. Whereas if I press in the soft stuff with that same, my finger sinks right in, and there you go, I've got cold wax medium on me. So if you make your cold wax medium in a crock pot like I do, what I've done to keep where I have, let me zoom back out, to keep this part fresh is, one, I haven't removed the top, but I just take a piece of plastic, and this is the same piece of plastic I've been using for a while now, and I don't really worry too much about the hard stuff, but I cover it and I sort of press it in just a little bit, not too much. And when I make my next batch, I will do the same thing. I had been doing this, and then I just forgot, and this is what happened to my cold wax. So it's not really a huge loss, but I could have gotten more if I had just gone ahead and put the plastic in to save it. So if you've got a container that doesn't seal very well and it's going to be exposed to air, go ahead and put a little piece of plastic in and try to save more of your cold wax medium. If you have any questions, please just leave me comments below. I try to get to them very quickly, and thank you so much for watching. Oh, bye.